Want to see summarized sales information at a glance? In this video, you'll learn how to add column calculations to a report. This is a great way to get high-level information fast. First, let's find the total number of orders we had in 2025. To do this, I'll filter the invoice period to 2025. Then I'll right-click below the order number column and choose Count. To see the total dollars invoiced in 2025, I'll do the same steps, but choose Sum this time. I like that it adds the word sum. No guessing at what you're looking at. Depending on how many columns are on your report, you might have to resize the column to see the full value. Did you know you can resize by double-clicking on the right border for the column? Want to see the highest value sale without sorting the data? Right-click and choose Max. Similarly, you can choose Min to see the lowest value, in this case, a credit memo. Finally, I can add the average margin for these orders by right-clicking and choose Average. If you change your mind, you can right-click on any calculation and choose None. Column calculations are very useful, and as you can see, they're quick to set up. Think about the reports you use every day. Which of your reports would be even better with the addition of column calculations? Give it a try, and check out our other videos for more ways to get the most out of your Pulse dashboard.